Hi, you are welcome to GMats class. Now let's solve the following problem under mensuration. Calculate the perimeter and area of the following figures. We have the triangle and the trapezium. Now we are going to find the perimeter of this triangle. Now if you want to find the perimeter, we need to add the sides together. Side y plus side 9 plus 5 centimeter plus side x. So that gives us the perimeter of this plane shape. Alright, now to do this, we need to get the value of y. So this is a right angle triangle. So I'll be making use of Pythagoras theorem to get this y. Why this y is the hypotenuse, this is opposite, and this is adjacent. So we have y square equals to 12 square plus 9 square. And then we have y square equals to 144 plus 81. Alright, so we add this together. Y square equals to 225. Okay, so we have y to be the square. When you take square root of both sides, square root of 225, y gives 15 centimeter. So side y is 15 centimeter. Now let's get side x. Now to get side x, you consider this right angle triangle. This is the opposite, 12 centimeter, the adjacent 5 centimeter, this is the hypotenuse. Alright, so we have x square equals to 12 square plus 5 square. Okay, so we have x square equals to 144 plus 25. So x square equals to, when you add this and this together, you're going to have 169. So you can take square root of both sides. So we have x equals to square root of 169. And the x will give you 13 centimeters. So this side is 13 centimeter. This side is 15 centimeter. And this side is the addition of this. That's 14 centimeter. Now to find the perimeter, you add the sides together. So side x plus side y plus side 14. So now say, therefore, the perimeter will be y, which is 15 plus 13 plus the addition of these together, and that's 14 plus 14, and that gives you 42 centimeter. Okay, so the perimeter of this plane shape is 42 centimeter. Okay, so now let's get the area of this triangle. The area of this triangle. Okay, so before we find the area, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do comment and also share this video with your friends. Now, area, the half base times height. That is the formula we're going to use to find the area of this triangle. So now, our base is from here to here, which is 14 centimeter. The height is this, that's 12 centimeter. So we just substitute inside this formula. We have area of the triangle will be 1/2 times the base, this plus this, that's 14. 14 times the height, that's 12. That's 12. Okay, so so when you use this to cancel this, we have 7. So we have 7 times 12. and your answer is going to be 84 centimeter square. So this is going to be the area of the triangle. Now, can we look at the second one? Now we have to find the perimeter of this trapezium. Now, to find the perimeter of this shape, we had this side plus this side together plus this and this. But we don't have this side. We need to get this. So we are going to draw a construction line here in such a way that this line will be perpendicular to this place. All right. Okay, so now since it is perpendicular and it's also straight, so from here to here will also be 9. This will be 9 centimeter, and this place will be 8 centimeter. So everything from here to here will now be 17 centimeter. Okay, so you have drawn a construction line in such a way that from here to here is 9 centimeter. So the remaining part is going to be 8 centimeter. Okay, so now I need to get this using Pythagoras theorem. So let me call this A, this one B and C. So I have triangle ABC now. Okay, so I need to get this side using Pythagoras theorem. So I will have side C square, which I'm looking for C square, AC square equals to 10 square minus 8 square. That is the hypotenuse square minus the adjacent square. Okay, that gives you the opposite square. All right, so now, and our opposite in this respect now, if this is our reference angle, so this is going to be our opposite. So our opposite is length AC. All right, so we have AC square will be 100 minus 64. So AC square gives 36, and the AC is the square root of 36. So when you take square root of both sides, so we have AC to be 6 centimeter. Okay, so now the height here, AC, is 6 centimeter. So the same thing we also apply to this place is going to be 6 centimeter, because the length here is the same thing as the length here. All right, so we have 6 centimeter. So I can now find the perimeter of this trapezium. So we have perimeter, the perimeter will now be 9 plus 10 plus everything here is 17 plus 17 plus 6. Okay, so now let's add together. Now this and this gives 23. 23 plus 10, that's 33. 33 plus 9, that's 42. That will be 42 centimeter. So the perimeter of this trapezium is 42 centimeter. So the next thing is to get the area of this shape. Now the area of trapezium is 1/2 open bracket A plus B times H, where A and B are the two parallel sides. This is A and this is B, and the height, the distance between the two parallel lines is H. So let's substitute here. So we have area 1/2 open bracket 9 plus B 17 times The height is 6. So we have 1/2 open bracket. When you add this and this together, you have 26 times 6. Okay, so 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 13. So we have 13 times 6, and that is going to give 78 centimeter square. So that is the area of the trapezium. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and do that. Share these videos with your friend. Also, you can drop comments. Thanks.